money.
Say hello to the camera. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Thank you. How much is this?
120 টাকা রূপাতলি বাস স্ট্যান্ড
রূপাতলি বাস স্ট্যান্ড কত এখান থেকে 121
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. The adventure in Bangladesh continues. I'm in Barisal and I'm going back to Dhaka, but I will not go with the ferry or the cruise. I will take a train ride from Khulna. But first I need to take a bus from Barisal to Khulna, and here is the bus. So join me for an adventure through Bangladesh. Khulna?
খুলনা
Sí. Yes. One person, yeah. How much?
270 টাকা
Yeah. How much? How much? No. Money.
মানে
Yeah. 280. This is the bus station in Barisal, and it was quite easy to just buy a bus ticket. You say that you want to go to Khulna, then they fix a bus ticket for you for a couple of dollars. And here we go. This is the way to Khulna, where I will take the train. But first, we will go to the city center and find something to eat. I think I will do a Chinese restaurant. Yeah, a good Chinese restaurant in Bangladesh. Was good food and some noodles, yeah, and one Coca-Cola, of course, and some water. And then I went to the bus station, or no, the train station. I went to the train station to buy my ticket to Dhaka. That was also quite easy. So just go in here to the bus. I don't know why I'm saying bus station. This is a train station. Here you have it, a typical train station in Bangladesh. So here we go. We will go in now, and I will show you how to buy a train ticket from Khulna to Dhaka. Join me in the bus station. No, the train station, I mean. How are you? Good, and you? Good. Thank you. Så ska vi se här då. Ja, de har
Money.
no money. No money. No money.
Money.
No money.
Money.
Chair. Snigdha as Shobon chair.
Yeah.
কালকে সকালে 6:15 6:45 7:15
It's the next day here in Khulna. I took the morning train. This is the morning train from Khulna to Dhaka. I think the time now is around 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning. So I don't speak any Bangla, so did not know any. I did not understand the time schedule here, but it was quite easy to find. Just to follow the locals. Here we have the train that we are going to spend all day long to Dhaka.
Hello.
সামনে রাখে তো
শেষ
2 নাম্বার সামনের থেকে নেক্সট ফার্স্ট ফার্স্ট
গ্রীষ্মকালে তাকে সাহায্য আল্লাহ নবী হিসেবে তাকে সম্মান করো সর্বোপরি সকাল সন্ধ্যা আল্লাহর
Popular for say hello to the camera. Hello. Is Andreas reseflug?
Andrea Yusuf
Yeah, Andreas reseflug.
Andrea Yusuf
Flug. Yeah.
Hello, how are you? See? Hello to Sweden. Sir. See? Hello to Sweden, Bangla. Hello to Sweden, Bangla. Huh?
Say hello to
Halsa Bengali is so a service.
Oh, nice. Anything else you want to say?
Halsa Bengali.
Halsa Bengali.
Halsa Bengali is Sweden.
Halsa Bengali Sweden.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Halsa Bengali Sweden.
Now you will be famous on YouTube in Sweden.
YouTube Sweden.
You will be famous. You guys will be famous in
আগে
Sweden.
সবার ভিডিও নিয়ে ইউটিউবে সার্ভিস
Yes.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Have a nice day. Bye. Bye bye.
I understand that. Almost everyone that I met on this train was super curious what I really did here. I just say I'm traveling around Bangladesh. I don't know what they thought about what they thought I was doing here, but and here is the lunch: popcorn and some chicken. It was everything I ate during my train ride. Yeah, it was okay. But now we are in Dhaka. Way later in the evening. This is the end of the video and also the end of my Bangladeshian series. In the next video we will be in another country in Asia. Join me for that adventure. And thank you for watching all the videos from Bangladesh. If you like my content, just make a comment down below. So see you in the next one.